While you're watching snow fall outside the window, or sunshine the next morning, here's what's happening out of sight. Ground crews rotate through warming stations to prevent frostbite, then return the next morning to break apart frozen patches that re-solidified overnight. Ramp vehicles operate at reduced speeds during the storm and even slower the next day when black ice forms in spots the plows couldn't fully clear. Maintenance teams monitor aircraft for icing hazards, but recovery ops mean checking for refrozen panels, sensors, and landing gear components exposed to the minus double-digit temperatures. Dispatchers recalculate flight plans in real time, then rebalance the entire network the following morning because yesterday's delays ripple across the country. Supervisors track crew duty time limits, minute by minute, and then rebuild schedules afterwards when crews time out from extended storm operations. Even when the skies are clear, the airport is still untangling what the storm left behind. Equipment that froze, and gates still backed up. Hundreds of micro decisions happen before you board, and even more after the snow stops falling. The mission stays the same: safety first, movement second. And yes, even when the sun is shining, everyone is still cold. The airport doesn't warm up just because the weather app says it should.